Let's get this bag. You ready to crush it, GD? Good.
Yeah. Yes.
Good. Me too. Make a big old fat bag. All right. I guess ES is my main watch today. Get down to this demand zone. If you guys are watching my screen. Good morning, YouTube. How are y'all doing? Let everybody know we are live.
Oh, go get some electrolytes.
What up, Justin? Let's do it. Good morning. No, if you read the top, it is not XAU USD. Where's my phone charger? That's it. Let's see. Okay, we're good. What's up, boo? Camera's on, mic's on. Good morning, YouTube. And real quick, if you guys didn't see, Apex is currently 90% off. So if you use discount code Brandon on Apex, any size account, you'll get 90% off. I think the 50Ks are like 20 bucks. So if there's time to get accounts and pass them going into the new year, it's now. Try to pass as many accounts as possible going into the new year. Not that I know. Five minutes. Everybody have a good Christmas, Team Bull? Good holidays. What's up, Danny? Ready to rip some silver today? Full port, all open. If you want a way to pass accounts, it's probably silver, to be honest with you. Quick little scalps. Good morning, YouTube. Where's everybody at? Everybody's not typing. If you guys could take 2 seconds, hit that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. We got 70 of you in here and only 18 likes. So what is that? 50 people have not hit that like button. Again, I live trade every single day on YouTube for completely free. All you guys got to do is tap in, hit the like button, and listen. That's about it. What's up, Stockfather? Good morning. Ooh. Ooh. I'm actually going to watch Silver Futures today as well. Just because, I mean, it moves crazy.
All right. Morning, everybody.
You want to know what's crazy? Magically, everybody in the world on Twitter called the silver run. And it's like, oh, I caught it, but don't show any average cost or percentage gain. I'm like, guys, if you believe that, it's full shit. I found all my tweets posted my percentage gain and my average cost. Nobody else on Twitter is doing that. Everybody was just an expert that said silver's gonna run. What's up, Stefan? GL Newbold. I trade futures, ES futures, NQ futures, maybe if there's gold, maybe if there's silver, but primarily ES and NQ. I'll trade options as well.
Everybody. Hope you guys all have a great Christmas. And going to have a good Happy New Year's. Go into the year with the right mindset. Six as the stepping stone to be where you want to be as a trader.
Awesome, let's do this. Again, if you guys didn't see, Apex is currently 90% off. So if you guys do want 90% off accounts, if you're looking to stack accounts going into the new year, now is the time to stack up on 90% off with Apex. So again, make sure to use code Brandon, all caps, BRANDON, on Apex. 90% off any size account. The 50K accounts are only like 20 bucks right now. So again, if you're looking to stack going into the new year, now is the time to get that 90% off. Silver is SIH6, but you gotta be very careful if you're gonna trade it. I'll be back in 1 second though. Hold on. All right, I'm back. Let's get it, Mr. GD. Let's do it, dog. If we get down to 69.36 to 69.30, I'm looking for a bounce. Indeed, buddy.
Take bounces, but
You should. Bounces and rejects are some of the most profitable ways to trade, in my opinion. I'm also going to watch like 70.72 on silver for a bounce. I got inspection on the drywall today, GD. Yes, sir. Hopefully it passes and then I can move on. I am going to make a video on how to, what is it, copy trade, essentially. Yeah, you have to pass on each account. So also when you purchase new accounts, do you have to pass the eval again for each account? Yes. Yes, you do. But again, 20 bucks for the evals. Think about it. If you pass 5 accounts, right? And let's just say you make $3,000 on those 5 accounts, you can withdraw, what would it be, like 400, 500 bucks, I think, on Apex. Like 500 bucks, say, give or take. 500 times 5, that's $2,500 of a payout that you can get. If you get it up to 54,000, you can withdraw, I think, like 1750, give or take. So again, 1750 times 5. If you pass 10, it could be 1750 times 10. All you're doing is just trading the same way, but spread across multiple accounts. So again, that's why I say if you're trying to stack accounts going into the new year, is I'm trying to get 20, right? I'm about to pass 5 more. So I want 20 accounts going into the new year, because if I only make 200 bucks, well, 200 times 20 is what, 4K? Essentially 4K on the day. And when I get to those payout limits, it's a wrap from there. Just take one big fat payout. Bounced off 6,900 on SPX as well. Actually, look at Google on the daily too. I like it if it gets above like 315 this week. Jordan Silver is SIH6 currently. But remember, I said I scalped like 5 cents last night and made like 450 bucks off of it. So it's moving a lot more than 5 cents, I'll tell you that. Worst part about silver is they don't even have micros. I tried to find that shit yesterday, unless I can't find it. I don't think they do. Unless it's under a different ticker. Let's see. Silver futures. Oh, they do. It just doesn't have an M. It's SIL. SIL. There it is. H6. Boom, we good. That's the micros. SIL. H6. I thought it'd be like MIS. Clearly they wanted to be different. Yep, the account starts as soon as you purchase it. Good morning, TJ King. Again, if you guys could take 2 seconds, hit that like button, it would be greatly appreciated. Again, we have 110 people up in here. Let me turn this up a little bit. 110 people up in here and 55 likes. So half of you hit that like button. Again, I live trade on here every single day for completely free. All I ask of you guys is to hit the like. What's up, Michael? There actually is micros, Jordan. I just found them. It's SIL H6. So I will trade those instead. Just got an accurate Type S this weekend. Nice. I actually don't even know what those look like. Those are low-key pretty hard. Doesn't have to be a GTR. As long as you like it, that's all that matters.
Watch this apple.
I can say the same about my GTR with a Lambo. I just got my GTR. It's not a Lambo. Doesn't matter. I love that GTR. I'd prefer to have it over a Lambo, to be honest. There we go. We pumping. Santa's finally waking up. We're breaking above supply on ES. Yes, sir. How do you say it? GL New Bold. I do have 2 books on Amazon if you guys want to check them out. The New Age of Day Trading and The New Age of Technical Analysis. Lays everything out for you. Where did this come from? Oh, we're at that previous all-time high on SPX right here. $69.20. The new all-time high is $69.45, but we still have a lot of aggressive buyers on this move up. What you thinking, GD? What you watching?
Nothing much right now. That's pretty good.
Yeah.
Watch this apple, but I don't know how I'm gonna enter it.
Let's see, buddy.
It's break up though.
Also, if you guys do want to join Team Bull, trade live with me, because there's like there is a delay on YouTube. Sometimes it is laggy on YouTube. So if you want real time, no delay, no lag, none of that, you can come join and trade live with me in Team Bull every single day. So here's that link right here. Again, if you guys want to join, no delay, no lag, none of that. That is a link to the Discord. I share my screen every single day, live on Zoom. Literally just gifted both of my sons your books to learn up. He actually believes in me now that he's seen. That's what's up. Of course I made the books. I wrote those motherfuckers. Look at this shit. Hold on, I'm gonna show you both of them. One. Where's the stream? There we go. Wrote both of these on my own. This one, 450 pages. That's the New Age of Technical Analysis. When did this come out? I think like 2022 is when I wrote it. I don't think it has a date. Yeah, 2022. So I was, let's see, 27, 24. I was 23 at that time because I released it before my birthday. if I'm doing the math correctly. 23, 450 pages on the New Age Technical Analysis. The New Age of Day Trading, I dropped, I think, in 23. This one's 320 pages. Let me see. Yeah, 2023. 320 pages. Again, written, edited, all on my own. So those are my two. Again, both on Amazon. I don't really talk about them too much, but they did really good. That first one actually was #1 on Amazon. I have a screenshot somewhere of that, but went #1 on the new releases, which is pretty dope. I'll have to find that. You know, Andrew, we can fight going into the new year if you want. Andrew's trying to fight. What on ES? Only thing I don't like is we would lose VWAP. We'll see. See how structure looks. Damn, Michael, you're popping him out early. Just turned 39. He just turned 19. But yeah, make sure you guys check out the books. I would appreciate it, especially if you guys gave some feedback. I'm going to drop one more. I said this year, but probably next year. I want to make sure it's like perfect as my third and final book. Yeah. This is my 8 EMA and 21, the white and purple. I mean, I do like silver if it got down to the daily 8 EMA. As far as ES and NQ, I mean, I really don't have any zones right now. I was hoping we got to 69.36. I would have looked for a bounce, but now we're far away from it. As far as a reject, I mean, not to all-time highs at 70.10. So that's another 50 points. Just stay patient. Gold's getting slaughtered too. Can you swing trade on Robinhood? Yeah, I do. Thinkorswim or Robinhood, it's very easy. And again, you guys can ask questions while we're just chilling here. Waiting for a setup. Feel free to ask. But if you want to learn how to swing trade, this would be the New Age Technical Analysis. That's the book that talks more about swing trading. The New Age of Day Trading talks obviously about day trading, but if you want to learn my swing trading strategy, it's in that book. That's how I caught that silver move. I don't know if you guys saw it on my Instagram, but apparently everybody on FinTwit is silver experts and everybody caught the move, but nobody's going to show average cost and nobody's going to show percentage gains. I actually do. I posted it again today. But silver is literally like, that was like the highest quality setup I have seen in a very long time on a quarterly time frame. It was beautiful. You'll see it in the tweets that I put up on my story as well. NQ doesn't look too bad. I don't use moving averages on SPX. I only use SPX for like psych levels and then gaps. That's really it. Guess we can see what happens at these moving averages, these fibs. I'm potentially watching some MNQ longs.
I'm watching to add some Apple too. I'm not gonna take the day trade on it though. I think I'm gonna swing it. Maybe 2 weeks out. Come on. See now.
Definitely looks better on QQQ. I'm just not a huge fan because NQ lost VWAP. Yeah, after the gym. Still no entry for me. I might miss out on it, but like I said, we don't have like the cleanest structure right now. See how the 5-minute candle closes and then decide from there.
You're looking for a spot.
QQQ, well, NQ, but the QQQ structure is a lot cleaner. If we had that exact same setup on NQ, then I'd 100% be in. Only issue is that VWAP. Question for you, GD.
So,
I'm gonna sell the Tesla. All right, that thing's a piece of shit. Worst investment I ever made. I'll probably lose like 35, 40,000 on it. But should I get a Durango or an Audi? Or neither?
that's like either.
Durangos are low-key hard. I'm embracing my inner Baltimore by getting a Durango. Well, where am I fishing in Colorado? You please tell me.
What's that?
Somebody said get a boat. Hmm. Can get a Hellcat. I mean, I wouldn't be opposed to a truck.
I'm still holding up strong. I took contracts, 280s. Just gonna swing it. My stop loss will be lower than it from up today.
I mean, I don't know about this NQ. I think I'm gonna hold off. Watch it pump though. I mean, the QQQ looks good. It held VWAP. It held the 50% retracement. It's just NQ is not above VWAP. ES lost it as well. I mean, your risk would be super small, but I'm personally just holding off. My VWAP is the orange line right here that we lost. 8 EMA is purple, 21 EMA is this white. Cherry Creek. Okay, what about Cherry Creek? We going there today? You work at a dealership, give me a good deal. Yeah, that Tesla is like the biggest piece of shit. So annoying. I love driving it. I love how it drives, but charging it, biggest pain in the ass. Especially now that it's cold too. That shit dies way quicker. It takes way longer to charge. Probably an SUV. That way I'm not driving the GTR every day. And again, while we're chilling, waiting for setups, if you guys did not see, Apex is currently 90% off. So if you guys are looking to get funded and you're trying to stack accounts going into the new year, is that me or you? No. And you're trying to stack accounts going into the new year, now is the time to get them. Again, Apex, 90% off any account. Make sure you use discount code Brandon in all caps. What'd you say?
Trade. Let's go.
Looking, I'm watching this NQ still. Also watch gold if it gets down to like 43.52. I mean, to be honest, I only bought the Tesla for the tax credit, and I like how they drove, but I lost way more than the tax credit got me. So I got scammed. You taking anything yet? No, I don't have like literally all my levels are for moving averages right now on silver and gold. I'd say just watch that daily 21 EMA. We haven't tested it since November 24th, so it's been 2 months. It's at 43.53. We're trying to buy up this NQ. We're reclaiming the QQQ level. Lots of volume behind it as well. Again, let's see how this 5-minute closes. You said we have news today? Let's see. 10 o'clock news. Never mind, we'll just stay patient, wait for news. I think the tax credit goes away this year, but I got it because I bought the Tesla like I think 2 years ago. I would wait till news. That's just how I have it drawn right now, Isaiah. That to me is like a valid fib, but again, we have news in 5 minutes. So I would just wait. Did you guys hear that? Literally. Story of my life, Mike. It's actually the second time that's happened today, and I have zero fucking clue where it comes from every time. It's kind of like when you live with a ghost, Dara. You just get used to ghost activities. Again, everybody in the YouTube, if you guys could take 2 seconds, hit that like button. We got 136 likes, or sorry, 136 people in here and only 71 likes. So take 2 seconds, hit that like button. The fucking huge thing happened again. Abraham, is anything plugged in? Did I touch anything? He's sitting right next to me. If the Stream Deck was plugged in, maybe you could make an argument, but this thing hasn't been plugged in for like years. Three minutes till news. Hopefully we can get some movement out of it. I don't know, AC. I just live with it.
Have you talked to Jadon?
Yeah. What? He's a sick boy. I haven't talked to him today, but as of yesterday and the day before, he was sick. He's got that throat virus. You want to know how? I think you know how. Exactly, Maddie. Look. Look.
It's the right idea.
I definitely didn't. That was all Gene, bro.
Spending too much time on that.
Literally. Let's see. Hopefully we can actually go hit that demand on ES. That doesn't look too bad. Hmm. What's that? We have news in 20 seconds. I hope it just dropped down to the demand. That'd be fire.
What is it, 30?
What? 4 hour? Indeed, Jadon does have the throat virus. 43.50. GC's getting close to my potential bounce. 43.50, 43.51, give or take. 15 points away. We could just go straight down to it. That'd be amazing. Just patiently waiting for my levels, everybody. That's my demand right there on the, I don't know if you can see it actually. Hold on. Oh, you can't see it. It starts at 69.36 all the way down to 69.30. You're trying longs? I think we go get this level, hopefully. Remember, everybody, patience. Patience equal profits.
When is their data? First drop.
Already dropped. Getting really close to my gold level. Come on, give it to me. And I'm watching 43.50, give or take, on gold for a bounce. Daily 21 EMA with a psychological level. Seen anything, GD?
Not really.
Yeah. This price action be ass.
Not really.
Want this as close to 53.50 as possible. I don't know if we're gonna get it. I think it might bounce early. Come on, gold. You're so close. Okay, we're at 43.50 here. Still watching. I'll let you guys know if I take it. For gold?
Are you watching something?
No, I'm watching gold. I'm gonna try this, but a lighter size on gold. MGC, not GC, MGC. Lighter size. We're holding this 43.50 and we're starting to get some volume and strength. Yep. MGC longs. Again, lighter size. Looking for a little bit more. We are at our 1-to-1 risk to reward here. Look for just a tiny bit more. There we go. I'm gonna go ahead and take a trim right here, everybody. Stop loss, break even. Stop loss is break even. See if we can break above this last 5-minute candle. But that was like an 8-point trade, depending on your entry. It's probably going to hit it on this pullback. Just gold's very volatile right now. That's why I wanted to get a little bit over that 1-hour trade and just put our stop at break even. Because, I mean, if you let it run against you too much, you're going to fuck yourself over and blow your account. Did you take that, Kokole? Huh.
Yeah.
Fire. All right. It hit my break-even point. I'll take it. If you want to hold, obviously that's up to you. My goal was to scalp it, get a little over a 1 hour trade. If you want to push up higher, cool. If not, you know, oh well. Made some money off of it. Typically 8 points on gold too would be pretty solid fucking trade, but it's very volatile today. So 8 points kind of just like, you know, whatever. Watch, it's gonna nuke now. Did this shit last week. Yep, it's gonna do it. It's gonna do it. I think it's gonna do it. Let's see. What is Gaydon saying? Martin. Bruh. It still looks like it wants it. If it gets above that 65, it's definitely gonna push. Ooh, quick little 200, Brando. Let's go. Why are you not in Team Bolt? I'm gonna get you in Team Bolt today. I was only looking at the longs on gold. I said I was watching that 43.50 for the bounce. I mean, you could, but your risk is way wider now. I was only risking about 5 points. I made 8 points. So again, that's, you know, like a 1.5 hour trade. I'll take it. 5 points on gold. No, I made money. I trimmed and then put my stop at break even. Gold's just, it's also hard to trade. It just is. I have a lower win rate with it. During New York, I should say. Asia, I'd be smacking that shit. guess good thing we trimmed to put our stops at break even. If you held, you got an extra like 1.5 of profit. All right, I'm back. Literally nothing.
Sucked because we had a pretty big pre-market range too, so it's kind of hard to trade with that.
Oh,
Jay Dunn got the throat virus from I don't even know if he wants me to say it. He was feeling himself. I'll put it that way. That's how he got it. What in that 43.50 again? It's still holding. I just don't like taking the second touch of a bounce. Any questions you guys got while we're chilling? Again, one small trade on gold. Nothing crazy, but yeah. Any questions at all? Again, if you're looking to get funded in the meantime, if you use Take Profit Trader, Apex, or Tradeify, make sure to use discount code Brandon. It'll always get you the best possible discounts. So again, Tradeify, Take Profit Trader, Apex, make sure to use code Brandon, all caps. Does this change? It does. Hell yeah. I don't think you can really see it though. Hold on. There we go. That's better. Bet. How much are you up?
102.
Hell yeah. Looks like we're about to lose this level in gold. Go back to ES. Okay. Silver pretty much hit that zone as well. Still like 20 cents off though. Oh yeah. How we doing, team boy? Everybody doing good? Vibing, chilling. Still good, nice. I just don't like ES or NQ until we break the zone. Still chopping. Yeah, gold's getting slaughtered now. I think we actually touched the silver level, everybody, so I'm going to watch it. Damn, we're bouncing hard off of it. Fuck. Potentially. I just don't know if 20 cents on the micros would slaughter me or not. I'm going to try it on this other account. Hold on. I'll tell you guys if I actually take it. Still watching silver, but we're at my bounce level. I'm going to try this. Why the fuck did it reject it? Maybe not. SILH6. Why is it not letting it go through? Maybe not. No silver. Definitely not doing SI and risking over 20 cents. I'll tell you that much. I guess not. Fuck it. Oh well. Tell you guys what, that bounce would have fucking hit on it. I don't know why it didn't let SIL go through. Got the Tesla bounce. Nice. Is that the mini for it? I thought it was SIL. Hold on, let me see. Yeah, SIL H6 is micro silver. Maybe it is that one. Let's try out. H6. No. Bro, it's so gay. It's gonna push no. Well, we had the right level. We would have been trimming, I'll tell you that much. Yeah, I have the right expiration. I don't know why we can't trade it like that. That's a mini though. Yeah. I don't know. You guys have an answer. I ain't got them. QIH6 is still a mini, which is SIH6. I'm looking for the micros. Did the same to gold last week. I can trade MGC. That's what I just traded when we traded gold. But I don't know about the silver. I have to ask Tradeovate. Tell you what though, if we would have taken that on regular silver and called it 84, was that like 30, 32 cents? Remember, I made like $450 yesterday off of 5 cents. So 30 cents. You can do the math there. Where'd GD go? That boy disappeared.
Right.
What's up, fool?
Watch this app. Trying to get this high day.
Is it pushing?
Swings. 100 to 70. 73.50 area.
Bro, spying QQQ literally fucking sucked today. Any questions while we're chilling, YouTube? Anybody? Again, if you guys are looking to get funded, Take Profit Trader, Apex, Tradeify. Make sure you use discount code BRANDON, all caps. If you guys haven't, subscribe to the YouTube channel, turn those notifications on. It would be greatly appreciated. Over 1,500 videos on this channel teaching you guys on how to trade for completely free. Plus, I live trade every single day. So again, make sure you guys turn on notifications and just tap in every single day. Watch the videos. That's all I ask from you. It's not my favorite, but I will. We have to have like very certain criteria for me to take it. Silver's losing that now. Let's see, RKT. It's probably got a higher time frame setup. If I'd guess, got like a 3-day cup and handle that it broke out of. Very nice weekly squeeze. I like it. It's riding the 8 EMA to the upside on the monthly. The weekly looks really good. We're squeezing, holding on top of the weekly 8 EMA. And then we have that 3-day cup and handle breakout. So to me, it looks pretty damn good. Literally nothing. I say we full port. Walk away. Yeah, we should all start daycares in Minnesota. I'm down. Yeah. I mean, government don't be checking stuff like that.
They're supposed to check it every week.
Yeah.
It was supposed to be monitored.
Well, the Pentagon also failed its 8th fucking audit. Or 7th, whatever it was. Shocker. Yet if I don't pay $20 in taxes, I'm a bad guy.
Is this
Silver's bouncing that level again. Getting bored. Wish I hit at the gym today, GD. Yeah. Also got 2 hours of jujitsu tonight. Well, you told me.
Chest, lower body.
Chest, shoulders, tries. Apparently there was like a massive bank that failed to pay its margin call on silver futures. It says it was one of the largest players in the precious metals derivatives market. Let's see. They had like a $51 billion margin call. Look who's number one. Imagine that my whole high yield savings goes to shit. Looks like ass.
Silver shorts.
Yeah. It's just we haven't broke this range. If we did, it'd be different. I can bail him out, Mike. That's something light. I got that stashed under my bed.
Well, I'm gonna go to the gym. See you guys tomorrow.
Peace, homie. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. Probably stick around for another 10 minutes, but this price action is god awful. Any questions at all? It's so stupid that we couldn't trade that silver. It would have been nice. I mean, the idea behind it is below VWAP bearish, above VWAP bullish, but it also depends, like, where are we trading? Are we bouncing out of demand zone? Are we rejecting out of supply zone? Because at that point, I don't give a shit about VWAP. So, I mean, it kind of just, it depends, to be honest. My ES demand is 69.36 to 69.30. Best VWAP indicator for TradingView, just basic VWAP. It's basic VWAP. Any other questions? You gonna go to the gym with me? Why? Bet. I do supply and demand on 30-minute, 45-hour, 2-hour, 3-hour, 4-hour, daily, weekly, monthly, quarter. Basically everything above a 30-minute. 30-minute and above, I should say. I low-key want to like degen some silver swings for this Friday. Because they are mad cheap. My boy is up 2.3K on the day. Rob, are you in here? Let's see if he is. I see a Rob in the chat. Everybody's leaving. I'm guessing everybody's getting bored. There he is. What's up, Robert? Nah, that's the homie. He trades live with me every day. My little in-person mentee. Sup, Dexter? Yeah, hit me up on Instagram, Belly. We can talk about it. Damn, that fucking silver's pushing now. I don't care for it. I'm gonna just do the same thing. Use my eyeballs. Trade good setups. Probably hop off in like 5 minutes, low key. Peace out, Michael. Again, everybody on YouTube, remember if you guys want to get funded, make sure to use discount code Brandon, all caps. Apex currently 90% off. Take Profit Traders 40% off, no activation fee. And then Tradeify, I don't know what discounts they're running, but on any three of those, Tradeify, Apex, Take Profit Trader, make sure to use discount code Brandon, all caps. Always get you the best discount possible. I do think, though, if we can figure out how to trade micro, silver, gold and silver is going to be very fun to trade in 26. It's very volatile. So now we just got to figure out how the fuck to even trade it. Because, yeah, it keeps rejecting the order. I don't know why. The futures market. Maybe it's just props that don't allow it. Let's see. Try it on my personal account. No, I'm good. Thank you. Oh, yeah. It works on my personal account. Bet. Bet. It's weird. On silver micros, I'm going to text my Apex guy. Daniel, that was with micro silver, SILH 6. I guess I'll literally just take it on my own if Apex doesn't allow it. See if TPT allows it. SILH 6. No, TPT does not. That's weird. All right. Okay. No other questions while we're chilling? Everybody's just bored. Yeah, I just asked Apex, so we'll see. Yeah, I'm gonna hop off too. Seems like everybody doesn't have questions. Everybody's leaving slowly. But if you guys want, you can mark that 69.36 on ES. We're not too far away. Actually, no, I'm going to stay. Never mind. Just in case we touch it. 69.36. See if we break it and we go down to it. I'll stay. Just because I want to see demand. That's the only reason. If we start to bounce back up, though, I'm going to leave. Yeah, I took a decent gold trade for 8 points. Not like amazing, but typically 8 points would be fire on gold. But very volatile today. 8 points, you know. Not the best. Still a nice trade though. How do you recommend I back test a Fibonacci strategy? Do you really back test, and what parameters do you follow? Trading view, 5-minute time frame. Look for clear-cut pivot low, pivot highs. Draw it, wait for price to come back to it. Watch price action and volume. That's pretty much it. Did you hit me up on Instagram, Belly? If so, I don't see it. Let me check my spam. Just like an intraday, the intraday squeeze strategy is what I use when trading Asia. But I actually forgot I do have a meeting in 5 minutes, so I do have to hop off within 5. But again, 69.36 to 69.30 is the level. We have an early close on Wednesday, I think. Hold on. No, the bond market closes early. Never mind. Regular trading hours. That's stupid. But we're bouncing, so I'm gonna save my 5 minutes and hop off here. So everybody have a good one. Let's do it again tomorrow. Again, watch the demand from 69.36 to 69.30. That's the level that you want to watch. So everybody have a good day. Talk to everybody tomorrow, and peace out, fam.